Raju Bhatia. I'm the chairman of this program. We've been running it for last 10 years and I'm happy to welcome you this morning. This program is going to be a little different against all the programs that you've ever seen or experienced. A little different. And the difference is we want to make an impact. So how do we make an impact? What do we do? Something that you can take home, remember, and something that will energize you to lead ahead. So we'll do one thing. We'll first stand up and sing the national anthem, right? Because Matrabhumi, our motherland, is important. Some of you have given me the right expression. Your expression was beautiful. Some people made an expression. Oh, national anthem. So national anthem is a matter of pride. Let me walk up, stand here and tell you. It's a matter of pride. I'm a big believer that if you sing the national anthem at home with your family, if you get together before lunch in the office and sing the national anthem, or if you just feel it, that feeling itself is sustainable and feels good. So smile. The national anthem, please. Please sit. Feels good? Yes. Feels good, yeah, absolutely. Feels good. Wow. Anybody smiled after the national anthem? How many of you smiled? Put your hands up. Okay. Great. Most of you. So now let me take you through the next part of the program. Something that will touch your heart and soul. So, Imtiaz, my colleague, was telling me that he wants to present Excelling in a Changing World. It's a video that we put together. When we go for several programs, we talk to people. There are lots and lots of people we talk to. And people give us a feedback. And based on that feedback, we actually put together a video. So, Imtiaz, what I want you to do is, as you present this video called Excelling in a Changing World, let the lights dim and I want people to experience it. Taj is very nice. They've given you a writing pad, they've given you a pencil, and if you feel like कुछ दिखा आपको, कुछ अच्छा लगा आपको, और कुछ महसूस हुआ अंदर से आपको, एक गहराई से कुछ चीजें महसूस होती हैं. ये गहराइयों वाला, वो फिल्म गहराई नहीं, ये एक्चुअल गहराई, इमोशंस, जज्बात, कितनी गहराई से कैप्चर किए हैं हम लोगों ने. काम जब when we go to work, अक्सर ऐसा होता है काम पे, when you going to work, bosses sometimes become insensitive. Humans are insensitive. Yesterday I put up a quote on my status. Those who have my phone number, you can see. I said I prefer spending more time with dogs because I think dogs understand me better than humans do. And it's actually a reality of my life. I have a farm where recently, we were trying to clean up a lot of things before the rains, and unfortunately it rained very heavy. 2 deers came in search of food. Deers otherwise don't like humans. They're scared of humans. And those deers that came in search of food, I actually just held out a grass and I looked into the eyes of the deer, and the deers ate from my hand. I was telling Sanjeev ji, he's the CEO of Patanjali Foods, how sustainable it is not to feed an animal. The grass is there, you're just taking it and feeding an animal. So that within feeding, I told, इम्तियाज रात भर जाग रहा था, मैं बोला वो फीलिंग ऐड कर जो मुझे महसूस हुई कि मैं जब किसी जानवर को कुछ खिलाता हूँ अपने हाथों से, अपने औलाद से कम नहीं है वो, उनको वैसा ही महसूस होता है. वो जो फीलिंग आती है, वो जो जज्बात पैदा होते हैं, वो जो दिमाग से कुछ ट्यूबलाइट जलती है, वो अलग ही है, और इतना सुकून मिलता है. Anybody? Any thoughts, any expressions, anything that you like, dislike? You want to say something? You want to say something?
Hi, so this is Ruchika, and I'm the founder of Voice Out, an AI company here in Indore.
Wow.
And there's one thing which I really, really liked about still maintaining the speed and pace without rushing into things. So I think it's very important with the kind of speed and the kind of agility we need for our startups or for our companies. So that's something which very struck me. The second thing I think is very beautifully portrayed was that the peace is within you, it's not out, it's within yourself. So yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah. You explain expect something like this when it started? Do you think something that you already know would appear?
Even if you know a lot of things, but it's more of, you know, what's the moment, how you're realizing it, how it comes with the slides and everything, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a random question and I want an answer. How many of you, it hit you straight on your head and your heart, the video? Okay, so I'm going to come to you and to you. So why did it hit your head and the heart?
So basically it has some things, some valuable points that were really close to me. So I would like to brief on one of it. So one of it was, you are the change that you're expecting from the world.
Oh my God.
So basically we do have a problem of expecting, even in corporate, even in personal lives. So basically we do need to change ourselves, not the world.
Right.
So that was the really one thing, because I was never expecting this to be in a corporate video here.
Just pause here. Anybody has your eyes became moist? Not tears, but your eyes became moist watching it. Any soul whose eyes became moist? Be honest, put your hands up. I saw that you were actually, you took your finger and you held it here for a second. Why was that? What's your name? Sorry, what's your name, ma'am?
Neha.
Neha. I actually saw you doing this twice.
Yeah. So, hi, this is Shaina Ajwani. I'm Chief of Staff of Software. So, this video, a lot of points, I think we already know. We've read somewhere, we've seen somewhere. But the way it has been, presented, I think I'll give an example. There was a line that, we give front seat to the smallest, member of our family. Yeah. And there was a child picture. So, I related with, of course, not only, the family, but also with the professional family. We forget this, when we are in our corporate world. And then there was one more line that care more than you have to.
Oh, you bet.
So I think...
Here's a good example of a man who practices it. He's so sensitive, Vijay Naidu, ADP stand, I will applaud for you. He is very sensitive. He's going to come up on the stage and he's going to come up and share with you something. He's a payroll expert actually. Any organization that wants its payroll to happen smoothly goes to him. But I want to make a point to you that it's so crucial what you're saying. I forget your first name.
Shaina.
Shaina. It's so crucial to what Shaina is saying. There are many of us who hesitate at times to put a little finger here and say, or to let it go, or to let it just go. And when you just let it go, it just happens. It just happens. But appreciate. I could read that. I'm going to walk up to Sanjeev. Oh my God. Sanjeev, your thoughts are always emulating. So please say something.
Hello everyone.
There are chairs coming.
I'm Sanjeev Khanna. I represent Patanjali. And the first point, I think, it was probably the first point, and that is something that I resonate with. It is be yourself. And in this world of copycats, I think it is very, very important that we believe in ourselves. The whole world is good if we are good. And that is what we have to aim at. The problem with us is that we don't trust our own judgment. We don't trust our own selves. And that is why we mistrust the whole world. So it is very, very important that we be ourselves, and we should remember that the cost of the original, the price of the original is always much higher than the copy. Thank you.
Oh my God, you bet, man. How many of you think, be honest, this video your boss should watch? Your boss should see it, put your hands up. Anybody thinks my boss should see it? Only 4, 5, 6 people. Okay, now this is going to change. How many of you think your family members should see it? Your family members, no, put your hands up, your family members. My God, there are people who got no emotion in this. Your family members should see it, okay? Either ways are not right. Okay, let's move ahead. I want to spend 1 minute in teaching you how to give. So I have a video called The Other Pair, This is a video that was shot in Lebanon. And the person who shot it is actually a child, 13-year-old boy. And this is his true story. It's a story of a character called Gandhi, not our Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi, Ghandy. Gandhi was a protagonist in his own way. He transformed lives, sometimes by mere touch, sometimes by handshakes, sometimes with hand on the head. Typically, his stories have inspired the world. So here's this 13-year-old boy who experiences trauma and decides that he wants to change the course of life. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you love it. I want you to watch this very, very carefully, and it will make an impact. Speechless, no? How many of us would actually throw the other pair so that at least one of them can use it? I don't have an answer. Yeah, you would? Yeah, I'm sure. I don't have an answer because when I ask a lot of people, there was this lady in Singapore I was talking about this video. She came up and she says, "Oh, I got 305 pairs. I could easily give it away." I just laughed out. I just laughed out. So I'll let you be with this. I'm sure you enjoy it. Sandesh, come in front and take from this side. Now Vijay, please come. I want to introduce you. And I also want to say thank you in a very special way, otherwise Sandesh will get angry with me. Mr. Devajan Goa, will you please step up, come right here, we want to say thank you to you. Ladies and gentlemen, this program has happened only because Vijay believed in me. And if you don't applaud for him, I'll not get my salary. And Mr. Goa, who came from Kolkata, Vijay came from Mumbai or from Madras? Mumbai this time. He is actually busy celebrating. Come a little closer. Pictures are precious, they have to be taken at every stage because life is uncertain. So you remember them. Pictures are very, very precious, So, ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to listen to Vijay. Vijay, go up on the stage and talk about the expertise that you have. And Goa sir, you please be in front so that you can come and present a few awards. Sounds good? I love your smile. I'm sure your energy will translate into these people too. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have this little presentation, after which I'll introduce you to Asif Syed and Alok Pandit. Asif runs the CHRO Asia, and Alok is the Executive Director of CMO Asia. Alok flies in from Singapore. Of course, Sandesh, he occasionally takes pictures, especially when he's well dressed. And then Imtiaz, Rangnath, and have I missed anybody? No, I haven't missed anybody. So that's a team, small team of 6 people this time. So I'll let you present first. Yeah, thank you Vijay for obliging. And your colleague is here from ADP. I forgot. Please stand. I want to acknowledge you with a gratitude and thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Bhatia. And good morning, everyone. And first of all, sincere gratitude to Dr. Bhatia and his team for bringing us all together on this momentous occasion where we truly celebrate the employers, employer brands. And sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for taking out time from your busy schedule and joining us today. So, I am Vijay Kumar Naidu. I lead the enterprise business for ADP in India. So, who are we as an organization? So, as we speak, we are celebrating our 75th year. So, this is our 75th year as we speak, and primarily we've been responsible for more than 41 million people across the world to be paid on time, accurately, and more importantly, in a compliant manner. In terms of our revenues, we stand at around $18 billion as of now. We're present in 140 countries as we speak, and we're expanding into different geographies. When we manage, pay is a very emotional element, right? It's something that has tremendous impact on people's life, right? If it is not on time, then it creates a lot of chaos as well. So we roughly do around $3.1 trillion worth of salary transfer on a month-on-month basis. And when we look at the kind of organizations we support, in fact, Indore is very close to my heart. This is my second visit in Indore. And I think every time I'm here, I see such a, number one, I think the first and foremost, 6th consecutive year for Indore to be the cleanest city of India. I think big round of applause for that. I think it's speaks a lot about the value system the city has embraced, right? The kind of infrastructure it has built, the kind of organizations. I mean, when I heard her saying, an AI organization, right? I feel so proud about it, right? It's the journey that will lead India, right? It's a journey that is going to drive economics in India. And some of the organizations we started back then, and they were working with one employee, two employee company, and today they have 10,000 employees, and one of the largest employers of the city. So this kind of innovation, this is what will take care. I also personally come from a charity city, and I wish back then there were many opportunities in cities like this. So I wouldn't have moved out of my own hometown. So that's how we look at it. But when we work with clients, we work with clients across the globe, and we're supporting organizations. Many of them are Fortune 100 and Fortune 500 organizations because of the global footprint that we bring across. And people like me, Andal, sort of, who is here today, we are close to 63,000 ADP family. We call ourselves associates, we don't call ourselves employees because end of the day we are responsible for a lot more things just beyond daily duty. Now, ADP, when we work with, so I've been associated, I started back in 2009 as a campus recruit with the organization and across different geographies, having spent so much of time with the company. When we work on such a huge volume of data, why this report? So what we did was, we wanted to come up with something that you can take back with you in terms of insights, something that will impact the future of play, right? And especially when we look at the last 5 years, the world has evolved. And the world has evolved at a pace which was unprecedented. It was not something that we were witnessing earlier. The world is VUCA. We heard a lot of words in the last couple of VUCA environment. Reimagine, rethink. I think these are common phrases and words that we use a lot in our day-to-day life. The way digitization got pushed in. I think COVID definitely it has created a lot of challenges, but at the same time, especially in terms of organization putting a foot forward on the digitization efforts, it has truly led, and I think India has been on the forefront of it. Now, when we look at organizations, we see today 5 generations working together in a particular setup, in a particular company. And each demographic has its own ask, has its own needs that needs to be met with, so that the organization can have much more engagement, and definitely when an organization is truly engaged, it can drive much more productivity, and that's what leads to the best employer. Right? So we reached out to certain organizations, reached out to CHROs, leaders in organizations, with a headcount of 500 to 2,500 employees, and we conducted some qualitative and quantitative studies with them to understand what is that they are looking at when it comes to future of play. And this is our second report that we came up with. As part of our thought leadership exercise, we wanted to present something very locally that we have witnessed in India. And also we did a quantitative survey for more than 200 enterprises. Now, when we reached out to the companies, we realized that, and this is something we did with ETHR, and we launched a report. This is our second report. And when we compared it with the first report, there has been a huge shift within a very small span of time. And I think one thing that has changed is AI. Right? It is something I think all of us are today adopted. We have adopted AI in our personal life to a great extent. Definitely in a professional environment, we will see how it grows in a much more controlled and governance-led way. But definitely in our personal life, it is impacting to a great extent. So, top things that came up from the survey, we wanted to share with all of you so that this is what something you can take back to your organizations and drive certain initiatives that will further lead to better engagement. So when we looked at the first and foremost thing that changed was when post-COVID we ran our first research, employee health and well-being was a top factor. But when we did our second survey and research, we understood that today it's not just well-being, but employee financial well-being is super. The way people look at insurances, the way people look at early wage access, what is their net in hand is what matters to me now more than ever before. And this was one of the top factors that came across from the report. The second and most important factor, I think the organization are still focusing very much on it, is pay equity and parity. It still has a huge gap to be filled in, and that is where people are looking. The second area that we saw was the data compliance and payroll. Now, payroll traditionally has been a very transactional function, but today payroll is key to a lot of strategic decisions in an organization. It has become a boardroom conversation, right? Because it has a direct impact, and the way the compliance landscape itself is changing, whether we keep hearing about the go-down wages that will impact a lot of organizations, the way FNF is being treated. Even for that matter, when we look at compliance, not just from a social security standpoint, but also from an information security standpoint. And with the privacy laws evolving in India, the right to forgotten coming in, imagine how an HR would recruit someone when somebody has opted for a right to be forgotten in the previous role or a previous organization. So a lot of these things are changing rapidly, and even on the lines of GDPR, a lot of laws coming in India. So this will have a tremendous impact, especially for any organization that want to drive employee engagement. More importantly, AI is here to stay. AI will lead, and the faster someone embraces it, I think it will help organizations to evolve in a much better place. We'll also come up to how we are doing AI in our own organization. But especially, I think when you look at employee or an HR function, AI is one thing that is going to be a platform level change rather than just any other thing that has come across. So this is going to stay for a while, and this will impact a lot of areas. And this is what we understand from a lot of organizations and how they are doing this. I know this might appear because a lot of data points were discussed. So the top focus was on employee financial wellness. And the second area that we saw was how AI will impact a lot of organizations that we interacted with. Now, especially when we look at any organization today, there are different transformation pillars that each and every organization has. There's a transformation across HR transformation, there's a finance transformation happening in an organization. There is AI integration into multiple systems happening. But the top three were critical for many companies. And the number one was HR transformation that we came across, followed by digital transformation. And something surprising that we found was the finance as a vertical has not been truly adapted to a lot of transformation exercises in the last couple of years, which is still a function that is evolving at its own pace, but definitely we were not expecting it to be 12% only. Especially while organizations manage the run, they focus on profitability, they focus on revenue. But one core area that is critical and that has a tremendous impact if something goes wrong is on compliance. And we've seen in recent news and many organizations, especially in the fintech space, that have faced a lot of challenges when it comes to compliance. It has a tremendous impact. It has a impact not just at an employee level or an associate level, but overall at an organization level, because if something goes wrong on a compliance front, it exposes to a lot of risk. And this is something that we wanted to share. Now, especially surrounding compliances, the number one was regulatory compliance, definitely, as the definition of wage gets more clear. I think, and this is not the first time we're doing this exercise. We did it across all cities. All major cities in India. And one thing that we saw was the definition of wage that each and every organization perceives is very different versus other, even within the same group and industry. So I think as the regulatory landscape improves, it will have a phenomenal impact. Definitely data privacy and security is a pillar that all of us should very critically watch out for and embrace. And when we saw a lot of issues that occur, I think most of you must have completed a year in activity within your own organization. And that is one area which drives a lot of engagement, because suddenly at the end of the year when proof verification, a lot of things get exposed. And how one can solve those challenges are super critical. These are certain things that we also asked organizations, are they really driving AI tools in the company today? Are they really making those changes happen? So only 13% said yes, that they are actively using it. And the larger population, if you look at it, it's still under evaluation. So, but people are watching it very closely. We are also using it in a couple of areas, and I'll briefly cover in the next slide. So how we are implementing within the overall scheme of things is, number one, what we tried and done is, when we interact, in India, if I call it out, we are responsible for 10 lakh people to be paid on time. In India, 1 million people when we are working with, we are responsible for every month for 1 million people to be paid on time. It becomes a very big responsibility, right, to ensure that happens. And when we look at each and every touch point I also champion the inclusivity and diversity function for ADP in India, and I precisely anchor the BRG part of it. But when we look at making it easy, are these solutions that we are giving to our associates, not just for payroll but for any other function that matter, are really inclusive in nature? Imagine when you witness something pretty recent, when somebody was sending an email in red color, and normally we send an email in red color when there is an escalation, when there is an issue, when there is a problem, right? Then we realize, why is this person sending an email in red color always? We spoke to him. We understood that he was colorblind. So, are we having tools, or for example, reports that can be as inclusive for people who are colorblind? Right? We never think about it that way. Are we using an inclusive language in an organization for an LGBTQI+ community? Are we driving, how are we easing out each and every transaction for an associate so that the associate can truly feel belong and help in that journey? So that is something we are driving in our own products and our own services. And one thing that we have implemented at a product level is, it should not take more than 3 clicks for any task to be completed. The easier it is, the simpler it is, the more usable it will be, and definitely the engagement will be much, much higher. Definitely make it smart is an area which has a lot of AI-driven, RPA-driven activities surrounding it, of how people can rather not spend time on transaction activity but get insights that can truly embrace their decisions for the future. And most importantly, end of the day, leaders, HR fraternity has to be there, right? People has to speak to people, right? They can't just interact with it. Imagine, I had a very bad experience with a very, very large company when I reached out and there was a chatbot, and the chatbot was asking me the same questions again and again, right? And I had a problem that was supposed to be addressed. It was a pretty big problem for me, but when I was facing that same question again and again, I felt like, can I speak to someone? Right? And the chatbot was not giving me that someone. So technology is good. We need to embrace it, but at the same time, the human element, the element of heart, as it got called out, has to be there. And that is where leaders, that is where HR practitioners truly come into play, with having the right collaborative effort across the functions to drive this thing. So this is something that we wanted to share across with all of you. You can scan the QR and download a detailed review. It's a big report of more than 40-50 odd pages. More importantly, these were some of the insights that can drive the future, and what we feel is, as an organization, when we are solving these complex HR problems, we wanted to do much more beyond that and help organizations to see what is the future at work truly and how they can assess. And we are always available to guide across, right from an organization with 1 employee to 1 lakh plus employees, we work with them. So please feel free to reach out if you want to understand any best practices, if you want to understand how you can embrace the side of technology and the right people expertise for it. And thank you so much once again for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you, and congratulations to all of you who are going to receive the award today. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you. Ms. Kekut, you'll be with us for lunch, no? So people can join you for lunch?
Yes.
Absolutely, and I'm sure your colleague is also there. You're also there for lunch, okay. Come sir, we're waiting for you, and the gentleman from Bhopal, has he come? Yeah, okay, we call a chair for him. Come right here. So, please, it's time for us. No, you need to be here. I want you to welcome a very special person. Prakash Rathorji is a social activist. He is the owner of Apna Sweets India Private Limited and a few resorts, besides being the president for Empowering Disabled, and he is a cricketer himself. So may I invite you, Prakash ji, to step up. He is an international professional with para-cricketing abilities. He's a captain of the Digvijay cricket team. He works in IIT Indore as a senior assistant. Will you please applaud Vijay? So I'm going to request you, sir, first to say a few words.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Actually, यहाँ जितने जन भी देख रहा हूँ सभी लीडर हैं,
क्या बात है?
बट आई एम अ रीडर. आज भी पढ़ रहे हैं और सीख रहे हैं. Award is a kind of appreciation which make us step by step to improvise.
Wow.
और आज जिन्हें भी मिले उनको मेरी बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं. जिन्हें आगे मिलेगा उनके लिए बेहतर मौका है कि वो कुछ सीख के जाएंगे. लाइफ हर एक स्टेज पर हमारा एग्जाम लेती है और एक लीडर जो होता है, जो ट्रू लीडर होता है, वो कैसे इससे पार पाना है उस पर वो हमेशा संतुलित रहता है. और आप सब एक लीडर हैं हमारे स्टेट के, और आपसे ही हमारे स्टेट का निर्माण होना है. तो सबसे पहले तो आप सबके लिए मैं एक जोरदार तालियां बजाऊंगा कि आप सब यहाँ आए हैं. अगर मैं अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बात करूं, हालांकि मैं आज भी मानता हूं कि मैं स्ट्रगलिंग मोड पे हूं. मैंने आज ये मेरा 24वां साल है. फिजिकली चैलेंज क्रिकेट होता है, उस पे 24वां साल है. और थ्रू आउट 19 years आई हैव सीन कि वही सिचुएशन है, वही सिनेरियो है, उतनी ज्यादा इम्प्रोवाइजेशन नहीं हो रही. तो बियॉन्ड प्लेइंग, करेंटली इन December आई हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडियन फिजिकली चैलेंज क्रिकेट टेस्ट टीम, where we have participated in international first ever test match which was held in Agra. तो मैं वहां बतौर कप्तान था और ये तो मेरा खुद का अचीवमेंट है. और अगर हम कहें कि हमने इस क्रिकेट को क्या योगदान दिया, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है ये बताते हुए कि जब इन 2001 when we have started till then 2019 हमारे पास केवल 19 फिजिकली चैलेंज प्लेयर्स मिलते थे. बहुत ढूंढते थे, थोड़ा इकोनॉमिकली बैकवर्ड रहते हैं, थोड़ा हेजिटेशन होता है कि कैसे हम क्रिकेट कैसे खेल सकते हैं. मैंने भी वो चैलेंजेस फेस किया है, लेकिन कहते हैं कि अगर सोसाइटी का सपोर्ट हो, पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट हो और आसपास के लोगों का सपोर्ट हो तो कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं है. तो वही स्टेज पर मैंने काम करना चालू किया और आज मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मध्य प्रदेश एक पहला स्टेट है जहां डिवीजन टीमें बनी हुई हैं. संभाग स्तरीय 9 टीमें हमने फ्रेम किया है और उनका बायलैटरल मैचेस चलता रहता है. और आज की डेट में हमारे पास 250 दिव्यांग क्रिकेटर्स हैं जो हमारे पूरे प्रदेश में आकर इंटर डिविजनल मैचेस खेलते हैं. तो मैं आप सबसे यही कहूंगा कि जिंदगी जीना आसान नहीं होता है, उसे बनाना पड़ता है. कैसे? थोड़ा सब्र करके, थोड़ा बर्दाश्त करके और बहुत कुछ नजरअंदाज करके. तो आप सबको बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं मेरी. Once again I will thanks organizers for inviting me. Thank you so much.
ये जो बात आपने कही विजय जी, सिर्फ मेरे लिए है. बहुत कुछ बर्दाश्त करेंगे, कभी ठीक से बैठ के बात करेंगे. अभी हाल फिलहाल तो आप कृपा करके इनको प्रेसिडेंट करिए. मैं आपको दोनों को मंच पर थोड़ा ये सर आएंगे सेंटर में, तो इट विल बी विदिश जी, विल यू प्लीज कम अप ऑन स्टेज, वी लाइक टू ऑनर यू. यहाँ के लीडर, यहाँ के कप्तान जो बिल्कुल सही तरीके से अपने होटल को संभाल रहे हैं, जो एक्सपीरियंस आपको दे पाएंगे फ्रॉम द टाइम यू गेट इन टू व्हाटएवर टाइम यू लीव, बिल्कुल इनके डिसिप्लिन की वजह से है. और मैं यहाँ पर हूँ इनकी वजह से, क्योंकि इनको एक विश्वास है कि जो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ सही कर रहा हूँ और मुझे सपोर्ट करते हैं. तो मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं इनको पहचानता हूँ और ये मेरे काम में विश्वास रखते हैं. आपको बहुत प्रणाम, आपको बहुत शुक्रिया. The award, please. Vijay, you have to join in. please, for the award. Please give me a little bit.
It's actually an honor to interact with Dr. Bhatia. We've been interacting we know each other for almost more than now 5 to 6 years, and he's one of the patrons of our brand, IHCL, which is also has several brands like Taj, IH6 Selections, Vivanta, and Ginger. As we once again step into the city of Indore after 2003. 6 months back, we reflagged this hotel, or rebranded this hotel as IHCL Selections, and the kind of warmth that we got from people of Indore, it's tremendous, and we look forward to more support, and it's an honor to have all of you in the hotel, and especially because of Dr. Bhatia. So thank you, Dr. Bhatia, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Let me take the mic. Chef Pawan Anand, I'll fail my duty if I don't invite you. One of the finest chef, the executive chef at this hotel, ladies and gentlemen. Very humble person, and a person who is so evolutionary in everything that he does. Absolutely. Alok, you should join in for this picture. You've taken so much energy from Singapore to here. You should join in for this picture, ladies and gentlemen. This morning, Chef, few very quick words. Alok will coordinate for me.
Not much, but we'll surely like to thank Mr. Bhatia for honoring me this award. And really, we have worked, really all of us try to be on their toes, working hard to achieve the customer satisfaction. That's our main motto. And keeping in mind the other requirements that are set up by the company profiles, keeping in mind the hygiene and everything. So really, this industry is quite demanding, and day by day the customers are also getting more of the knowledge and everything. So our part also increases to keep us up to date, being innovative, try to capture up new and new things in life. So last 25 years now in this industry, every time it's been quite revolutionary, innovative, and a lot of changes have happened in these years, quite span, especially after the pandemic. So really thankful to all of you for giving us time and everything. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Chef. Brijesh, I want you to take the front row. I'm going to invite you again. Please, this is for you. You should take it up. You should get that. Yeah, come. I'm going to invite you again. Take the front seat. Thank you, Chef. These two gentlemen, I want to continue. You've taken so much trouble to come. Asif will help you right now. Then I'll send Sandesh inside.
Alright, first category, the Hall of Fame goes to Dr. Sanjeev Khanna, COO and Vice President of Patanjali Foods Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Sanjeev Khanna. So, a few words.
First of all, thank you very much, Dr. Bhatia and all the members of the team. And I would only like to say one thing, because I am taking this award on behalf of management and the team members of Patanjali Foods Limited. That we always say that Patanjali is a परिवार जो परोपकार के लिए व्यापार करता है. पतंजलि एक परिवार है जो परोपकार के लिए व्यापार करता है. Now, many of us, even within the organization, might be thinking or doubting at times whether what we claim is 100% true or not. Well, there is no 100% truth in the world. That's a myth. Okay, perfection is a myth. So there is always scope for improvement, and we are work in progress. We had started about 10 years back, and we have reached a level where for last 3 years we are getting awarded as great place to work, which is somewhere an indication that we are moving in the right direction. We are building an organization brick by brick. We have come a long way, and we have a long way to go, and we are committed. Today, our lot of team members are here, and probably you will be getting an opportunity to interact with them. And more than me, they will be the testimonials of what we are doing. So thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Alright, the next category is the CHRO of the year. Amit Prasad, the Group CHRO of Petit India Private Limited. A few words on it. Hello, very good morning everyone. My name is Amit Prasad. I represent HR from HETIC. You must have heard the name HETIC, and I'm assuming that you must be using that in your home also. Okay, this award I am receiving not as an individual category. This is a testimonial. This is a part of the team I am representing over here. And this award is not for Amit Prasad. This award is for this role. This is first CHRO role at HETIC. I am just standing and receiving. Now, this award we got it not because of only, obviously the HR team is doing fantastic job, but not only HR team. Our leadership team, our managing director, Mr. Andre called, and all HODs, because I am a firm believer that HR cannot operate in isolation. So all the HODs, all the senior level, in fact all the team leaders, they are CHROs in their respective department. So they are implementing everything that we are doing. So a big thank you to everyone. I am honored and humble, and gracefully I accept it. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Congratulations. Alright, our next winner is the Digital Marketer of the Year, Ranjan Rathi, founder of Reliable Digital Expert. Ranjan Rathi. A few words.
Hello. So after completion of 11 years, आज हम लोग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री में उस मुकाम पे पहुंच चुके हैं जहां पे हम कुछ हद तक ये बोल सकते हैं कि गूगल के फर्स्ट पेज पे किसको लाना है शायद वो हम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं। और ये इस मुकाम तक पहुंचने के लिए मेरे क्लाइंट्स, मेरे कलीग्स, मेरी टीम का जो डेडिकेशन है शायद वो MP, CG, राजस्थान और महाराष्ट्र की कंपनियों में भी कम पड़ा है। इसलिए वी आर द बैकबोन ऑफ 29 डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कंपनीज ऑफ इंडिया। आज उनका पूरा काम हमारे पास है, हम लोगों को बताते हैं। We are also providing the free of cost training because there is no complete agenda of digital marketing. इसका कोई complete syllabus किसी यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा complete नहीं है। इसमें कहाँ से चालू होता है, कहाँ खत्म होता है, -A से लेके Z+ तक की हम लोग फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। हम लोग अपने ही स्टूडेंट्स को डेवलप करके अपनी टीम बनाकर और हर क्लाइंट्स को गूगल के फर्स्ट पेज पे टॉप मोस्ट ट्रेन करा रहे हैं। So RDX with you and thanks for the supporting RDX. Thank you.
moving on to the next category. This is for Leadership Excellence in Financial Management. Hemant Pancholi, the Group Financial Controller of Fusion Global Business Solutions India. Few words.
Hello. My name is Hemant Pancholi. I am the Group Financial Controller of Fusion Global Business Solution. It's a UK headquartered company, globally present in more than 3 continents. So just thank you Bhatia and the team for recognizing for this achievement and so on. The thing that I want to just bring up at this platform is the GCC industry in India is moving into a new direction. Earlier it started with outsourcing, with semi-skilled, then highly skilled, IT and so on was taken over, and now the global roles are taking over in India. So till now you were seeing the foreign countries where the CEOs and the higher positions are taken by Indians who are locally there. But now you are also seeing the global roles being taken from companies in India. People sitting in India are also on the board level of global companies and so on. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Vidishji, I want to give you a little respite and then get you back on the stage. Please do take a seat. Can you, there's a chair there, can you get it right here? All right, there are some special honors which I generally do. Now here is a young man. To me, he is a true visionary in what he has done. Today, as a cluster GM Ops I'm the general manager at the Taj Lakefront in Bhopal. He set an iconic mark for himself. What is so supreme about him is his ability to carry his team, his ability to make sure that everything is pitch perfect. And first Alok informs me I'd written that he's not going to come. But when he put his travel plan together, Alok is pretty pushy at times to make his leaders visible. So today when we have the opportunity to felicitate him, we're going to do it very differently. We first will do the award, okay? And that award is going to signify the level of excellence he's achieved. We then have, Asif coming up and honoring him from the HR point of view. Asif, will you please do that for me when I signify you to do it? And then of course, what is going to follow will be a short speech by him. And I'm not going to let him go, so allow him to present a few awards. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Vishal Sharma on the stage. Congratulations and thank you for coming. You have been impressed. I'm joining for a picture. Right, that's the felicitation. Today's day is very significant because today is the AGM of IHCL. Am I right? Today is the AGM. And their leaders are getting felicitated, both Vidish and Vishal. Vidish, will you also please come up for a picture for the media? And Alok, you'll have to request Vishal to say you have the mic with you. Come. We take one more picture, please. And one more round of applause. Alok, the mic.
First of all, Mr. Bhatia, thank you so much. As we met in Kolkata a couple of months back, where you recognized, the work which we have done.
Because of him. It was his institute. Yeah, why don't you also come up? We get a picture with you. This is Dr. Goa. Yeah, you could shake hands with our guest. Yeah, he hosted us in Kolkata.
So, first of all, sincere apologies as I started traveling today morning only from Bhopal, and then some few issues happened with the car, so for coming a little late. But yeah, awards are always something which encourage the leaders of the industries. And as far as ISCL is concerned, the way we are the leading brand and we are the best brand worldwide and in India. Strongest brand again, the third time again, we are getting there. So the ISCL who's spreading in the presence in the key markets, and as rightly said by our managing director that now the focus will be more on the tier 2 cities where we'll make our presence, and likewise like Bhopal we opened up, now Progress, and now there's so many in pipeline. So as far as my views go, as of now the industry is facing challenge in terms of the talent, and the market is open, and but the talent is somewhere which we need to grow. So that's what ISCL is working on, and the way we are taking people and the way we are making our top lines and the margins higher, and then the Ahwan which was announced for 2025, just for information, we have already achieved in 2024, 1 year in ahead. So thanks to the top leadership, and as General Manager and now Cluster Manager for Madhya Pradesh, so my focus will be Gwalior, Indore and Bhopal majorly, and there are few developments more happening in Madhya Pradesh. And Madhya Pradesh, I was very happy when I met the Principal Secretary there in the office. It means they are very aggressive in terms of tourism. So even I was surprised because I never been to Madhya Pradesh. I was there in Gwalior for 2-3 months while during COVID time. But when I came here and met the Secretary of Tourism, and the way he explained that the plans of the government in Madhya Pradesh, so they're very aggressive into helping hotels, helping industry, and getting the things done, and maybe some shows they are doing to promote tourism. So I'm really happy to be in Madhya Pradesh first time, and just looking forward for more opportunities in the state. And thank you once again. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhatia. So now I think next time wherever I move, you'll also come.
I'm sure. I'm so honored.
And thank you.
Videsh was in Pune. I did for many years in Pune only because he believed in what I did. And thank you for believing, Vishal, in what I did. You've been very supportive in Kolkata. I could not have done it without you. I keep telling him, thank you so much. But Alok, don't let him go. Take the mic and the award and the shawl, and we'll keep it for him. He'll present a few awards with you. Yeah, please don't let him go.
Sure.
Thank you, Videsh. I appreciate that so much. I am so grateful for your time and energy. I'll hold it. Yeah.
Alright, the best employer brand goes to the JK White Cutney unit of JK Cement Limited.
Wow.
Team JK Cement of Cutney.
The whole team, Alok. Look at the sense of aspiration. It's the entire team. They're wearing their brand on their soul, which is what is remarkable.
A few words.
Thank you so much for this award. just diversify our work against people. From the last 4 years, we are consecutive getting the Great Place to Work award for this. And thank you so much for the jury members for recognizing this effort. Thank you.
Congratulations. Moving on to our next honorary, this is for the top startup company. It goes to Voice Owl. Voice Owl, can you please step up? Few words.
So we are a young startup, but with the aim of building a generative AI or artificial intelligence company out of Indore, which works globally. In a short span of 7 months, we are already working with multi-billion-dollar global companies, partnered with NVIDIA, partnered with Ernst & Young, partnered with Reliance Jio. So we are doing some amazing work. Soon more people would know about it. Thank you for this award. Thank you for recognizing us.
Congratulations, gentlemen. Alright, the next honorary is Impetus Technologies Limited for the Best Employer Brand. Impetus Technologies. Viewers.
I would like to thank the jury for this. Thank you so much. And a special thanks to Dr. Bhatia. So Dr. Bhatia, are you here? I really wanted to thank him for his energy. This is the 3rd year I am receiving the award. And every year I just admire his energy and the way he presents it. So thanks to all of you. So we indeed privileged to have this award, and this award we dedicate to all our employees and the vision of a senior management. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ladies. The next honorary for Best Employer Brand is Fusion Global Business Solutions India. Fusion Global Business Solutions.
Thank you, everyone. So I think we could use a little more claps. Thank you. Good to see the level of energy. Thank you, Alok, Asif, Dr. Bhatia, and the entire team. It's the 3rd year we are here, and it feels really good. We have recently been certified a Great Place to Work as well, so that helps to share our commitment for our team. And just one thing that we keep repeating to the team, to ourselves, we didn't come this far to only come this far. So I think there's more that lies ahead. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. The next category is Dream Companies to Work For. It goes to Beyond Key Systems Private Limited. Put your hands together for Mr. Anupam Garg, AVP Global Delivery.
Taking this award on behalf of Beyond Key. We are best great place of from last 4 years, and
delighted moment for me to appreciate our effort in choosing for this award. And thank you.
Congratulations. The next best employer brand is Netlink Software Private Limited. Netlink Software. Yours.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee from Netlink family. So Netlink is like one of the pioneer institute in Central India, and like we have headquarters in United States and serving globally with different industry solutions into digital transformation. And we have our own BI tool named as Lumino. Definitely we are doing some, like bringing some innovations for HR industry also. So let's stay connected and we'll bring, because we have already talked a lot about AI, right? So I have something for you, we'll definitely share with everyone. And thank you. I can see, like we have leaders from different industries today here. So I would just say let's come together and make, like Central India shine together in all industries globally. Thank you.
Congratulations. The next best employer brand is Patanjali Foods Limited. Patanjali Foods. Alright, hold on, Patanjali Foods, you also received the Smart Factory Award and the Best Talent Managed Company. So you have 2 more awards coming in. Anyone would like to say a few words?
Thank you very much, World HRD Congress and Dr. Bhatia for recognizing us for the so many awards to the Patanjali. And we received these awards on behalf of our mentor Dr. Sanjeev Khanna and team and company. So thank you very much everyone. And Patanjali basically being all the people who are working with Patanjali, they are a karma, not an employee. So we believe in Patanjali's parivar and who are working in all our karma. Thank you very much. I would like to ask you Mr. Sunil Gupta to say something.
Thank you very much for honored Patanjali factory for the smart factory. खन्ना साहब ने जैसे हमारे सीईओ साहब ने बोला है कि पतंजलि ग्रेट प्लेस वर्क के लिए क्यों जानी जाती है, तो बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ मी, I have joined the company in 1995 as a trainee engineer. Now today I am the unit head of this company. So this shows the great place of the work of this company. तो अभी स्मार्ट सिटी के लिए मैं थोड़ा बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि स्मार्ट जो फैक्ट्री के लिए बात चल रही है, पतंजलि एज ए रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सोशल एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो, स्मार्ट फैक्ट्री के लिए हमको बहुत कुछ काम करना है। प्रोडक्शन के साथ हमको सोशल इन्वायरमेंट के ऊपर काम करना है। जिस टाइप से आपने देखा है कि हीट वेव जो चली इंदौर में, जो कभी नहीं हुई है, दिस द बिगेस्ट एग्जाम्पल। हम लोग जो ग्रीन बेल्ट क्रश कर रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्री में वेस्टेज को बहुत ज्यादा रोक नहीं रहे हैं, जिस कारण से ये सब चीजें हो रही है। पतंजलि वर्किंग ऑन दैट, और वी आर जीरो डिस्चार्ज फैक्ट्री। of this plant. This is the biggest plant of the India is crushing. Here is the 4,000 TPD crushing plant and 750 tons edible oil plant. So huge responsibility. इसको फार्मर से हमारे यहाँ सीड आता है. डस्ट एंड एनवायरनमेंट बहुत क्लाइमेट बहुत चेंज होता है, तो हम लोग कमिटेड हैं जीरो एमिशंस के लिए और जीरो डिस्चार्ज के लिए, और वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. और इसके लिए रिसेंटली हमारे यहाँ एनजीटी इंडिया की टीम आई थी जिसमें 23 जज आए थे देखने के लिए, और उन्होंने ग्रीन क्लीन सिटी के लिए हमको ग्रीन के लिए दिया था कि पतंजलि इज वर्किंग ऑन दैट. और उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे दूसरी कंपनियों को उन्होंने प्रेरित किया कि आप जाके देखिए. सो वी आर फॉर दैट ऑन दिस पतंजलि. आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि थोड़ा सा ये जो एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारी बनती है, सारे लोगों की बनती है कि उस पर काम करें और इंदौर को ग्रीन एंड स्मार्ट सिटी फैक्ट्री सब बनाएं. थैंक यू.
Congratulations to you.
Shall we have a few more minutes? Thank you, sir.
All right, next best employer brand goes to Systango Technologies Limited. Systango Technologies. Viewers.
Hello everyone. So this is the sixth in a row for us, and it's an honor for us to receive. And just to share a few things about last year, how it has been for us. So we had a successful IPO last year. Now we are having our fully functional office in UK, and we are working towards increasing our footprints in Dubai and South Africa. All this couldn't have been possible without our team. So kudos to Team Systango, and thank you everyone on behalf of Team Systango. Thank you.
Congratulations. Our next honoree is Man Aluminium Limited. Man Aluminium. Few words.
Hello everyone. We at Man Aluminium, we produce the aluminium extrusions, and we are the #1 in quality in India. And basically we work on that manufacturing in India only. The person, any industry which are buying from the other countries like Europe and China, we are producing here only, and we are expanding in that only. For the in upcoming years, we are moving forward for the electronics and automobile industries also. That will be the #1 in India, which are buying from the Europe and China's products. So भारत निर्माण में हम लोग थोड़ा सा आगे कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो कुछ बने वो इंडिया से ही परचेज हो और इंडिया में ही यूज हो. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. And next honoree is Softune Infotech Private Limited. Softune Infotech.
So I would say this is, just not the award, but it is the sign of the love and faith of our team, our family, who believed and who achieved. So I'm really thankful to my entire team, to the senior staff, the management of our company, and this is all theirs. We are just here to take on their behalf. And as Mr. Sanjeev correctly said, there's always a scope of improvement. And yes, we are step ahead, not only in AI but the other IT solutions. And we are moving, we are expecting and hoping that we're going to go harder. Thank you so much. I would also like to thank Mr. Bhatia for such a great start of the event. Thank you.
Congratulations. Our next honorary is Hindustan Power. Hindustan Power, are you there? Okay. Alright, I'll give Mr. Naidu a little respite. He'll be standing here since you presented, so I'll give you a little respite. You may take your seat. Vishal would still be there, but joining you would be Mr. Dwivedi. Will you please step up, sir, once again. Mr. Brajesh Dwivedi. Okay, this is a very special award to Dr. P.S. Hardia Advanced Eye Laser Surgery Center from Rao, Indore. Can we have Dr. Hardia on stage, please, sir?
I'm thankful for choosing and giving this award from all the hospital members and all.
Congratulations. Alright, and next honoree is Dr. Suresh Verma, Senior Family Physician and Pediatrician and a consultant of the Verma Nursing Home, receives the Lifetime Achievement Award. Put your hands together for Dr. Suresh Verma.
सादर वंदे वंदे मातरम। स्वागत वंदन अभिनंदन सारे आयोजक को इस अवार्ड ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है। मानव सेवा का जो लक्ष्य हमने प्राप्त किया है, मेरे परिवार ने मेरे पिताजी से मिले। मेरे पिताजी बहुत सीनियर फिजिशियन थे और उन्होंने कम से कम 60 साल हमारे मिल क्षेत्र में सेवा करी। उनका एक ही उद्देश्य था कि हमारे बच्चे आगे बढ़ के इसी क्षेत्र में सेवा करें। मैंने 1976 में पीजी किया एज ए पीडियाट्रिशियन और मेरी मिसेज मेरी क्लासमेट थी, शी इज ए गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट। हम दोनों ने एक नर्सिंग होम डाला 1976 में और हम दोनों का यह प्रयास रहा है कि जो आदमी दुखी और बीमार है कम से कम उसकी अच्छी तरह से सेवा करें और हमारा यह प्रयास रहता है कि हम सब मरीजों का दुख दूर करें और उनको अच्छा करें। मैं आज भी स्टैंडिंग प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ। एवरेज पेशेंट आप सुनोगे तो आश्चर्य करोगे, 200 पेशेंट स्टैंडिंग में पर डे देखता हूँ। सिंस 1976 और उसी को आगे बढ़ाया है मेरे पुत्र डॉक्टर विजय वर्मा और मेरी बहू डॉक्टर दिव्या वर्मा, प्रोफेसर मेडिसिन इंडेक्स मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड प्रोफेसर गायनी इंडेक्स मेडिकल कॉलेज। वो इसी क्षेत्र में हम सेवा कर रहे हैं और हमारे मुख्य सारे परिवार का मुख्य उद्देश्य यही है कि निरंतर हम सेवा करते रहें, लोगों का दुख दूर करते रहें, सेवा करते रहें और आखिरी तक मरते दम तक हम सेवा करते रहिए, हमारा प्रयास है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस सवाल के लिए, इस आयोजन।
Congratulations, sir. All right, next honoree receives quite a few honors. They received the best commercial building in Central India, the best hospital in Central India, the best medical facilities in Central India, and the best TMT. That's a brand which they have. The brand is called Bansal TMT Saria and the organization is Bansal One. Put your hands together for Team Bansal One as they step up.
received their multiple honors here at the MP Leadership Awards. Okay, who's going to speak from the team? Thank you for the organizing committee as well as everybody present in the room. On behalf of Bansal Group, I would just like to say that we are a diversified group. We have 14 verticals. We have given employment of more than 3,000 people currently, and we are a 3,000 CR turnover company. We are doing day by day great. We have started from Bhopal. It's been 25 years. And recently we opened our new vertical as well. So I think it's our duty and the managing director and chairman's vision that they are thinking that let's explore every industry and try to create more and more employment, because there are in Bhopal I have seen there are no lot of companies, and I think by employing 3,000 people at one go, we are doing great in terms of making Madhya Pradesh taking a step forward. Congratulations. Alright, for next category, the award for HR strategy goes to the Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation. Put your hands together for the State Transport Corporation team which is here.
Good morning. I wish to thank the jury and especially Dr. Bhatia for the award. And from the state transport of taking, we feel proud to say that Karnataka runs because of KSRTC, and the state transport and taking, competing with the corporate people and getting an award. We feel proud. I thank the management of MD and FD for all the different HR strategies we are doing. Literally, we are competing with corporate companies also to be one of the best employers. Thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, the most iconic healthcare leader goes to Dr. Sanjay Kucheria, plastic and cosmetic surgeon of the Sushrit Plastic Surgery Center, Indore. There's someone on behalf, please. Alright, for the next honor, I would like to invite my colleague Asif to carry on the proceedings. I take a little respite, give a little response and get
Alright, these are the best brands for Madhya Pradesh. First we have is Infobeans, and we have the HR leader, Dr. Kanupriya. Give her a big round of applause. Hear from you, Kanupriya.
Thanks, Asif. Always good to see the World HRD team here at Indore. So, Infobeans, born, brought up here in Indore, today placed out at 4 countries, 10 locations. Still, Dil Indore mein hi basta hai, and proud to take MP to new heights. Thank you so much.
Congratulations and all the very best. The next brand we have is Jamali Architect and Interiors. Jamali Architects. You want, sir?
Hello everyone, thank you to the organizing committee for this award, and I'm very delightful and happy to get this award between all the dignitaries. This is the first ever award we are having in this category, and thank you for the same. We are into architectural interior business. We have completed more than 100 plus projects in last 7 years, and right now, initially 4 years back also, we have started in builder projects also. We have started our construction company also for the same. And right now we are focusing much more into one-stop solution for architectural, interior construction, and each and every damn thing is related to the infrastructure. So thank you for the same. And I will say a few words on this part also. I will like to dedicate this award to my father especially. For one thing, I have learned about that leadership is just not the thing that I am working in my field and I am focusing in my field and earning money and doing a good leadership. Leadership is a thing which is majorly आप अपनी social life, अपनी family life, अपनी work life equally balance करके आगे बढ़ाते हैं. So this is a thing which I have learned from my father, and there is one thing which my father is working upon. My father is a very big social worker in Indore right now, and he runs a trust which has completed more than 8,000 cataract operations for free of cost in very good hospitals in Indore right now. And I would like to insist and call upon my father on the stage. Papa. He is working from last 10 years, he is working dedicatedly 365 days with his different company firm also. He is working with social works, and he has completed more than 8,000 free operations for cataract for the needy peoples in Indore right now, and he has got more than 40 awards in social works from the dignitaries in Indore. So thank you Papa for the same, and I have learned each and everything from him. And I just think right now leadership is not just in the work, it's just in the whole life, and every person should work in social works also. हर इंसान को कुछ न कुछ अपने साल का कुछ समय social works के लिए जरूर बिताना चाहिए. जैसे कुछ respectful लोगों ने भी यहाँ कहा, कुछ अपना स्वीट्स वाले एक हैं जो work करते हैं. So that's very great, and thank you for that.
Thank you Rishabh, thank you team. And naturally हम लोग मोतियाबिंद में काम करते हैं, जैसे इंडेक्स हॉस्पिटल से डॉक्टर साहब ने बताया, और मुझे लगभग 15 साल हो गए हैं, और 365 दिन ही मैं ये कैंप लगाता हूँ, और 365 दिन ही ये ऑपरेशंस मोतियाबिंद के चलते हैं. तो किसी को भी किसी भी नीडी आपकी कंपनी में, आपके फर्म में, किसी को भी परिवार में या आपके घर में काम करने वाले को जरूरत हो तो मैं हमेशा तैयार हूँ. 365 दिन ही. थैंक यू. फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, किसी को कोई 1 रुपया भी नहीं देना पड़ेगा, और एवरीथिंग विल बी डन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time. Congratulations and all the very best to you and to your son. The next winner is the Grand Machar. Grand Machar.
Hi everyone. I would like to thank my whole team for this. This is just not for me, this is for my team. And special thanks to Mr. Pankaj Tiwari for this. We work like a family, we eat together, we train together, and I think that's that is something that makes us special. So thank you.
Alright, the next winner is Sri Oswal Seeds and Chemicals Limited for the Madhya Pradesh brand leadership. Sri Oswal. Alright, the next winner is Dr. Shinde's Ayurvedic Cancer Care Clinic, and we have Dr. Shinde here to receive the honors.
Thank you, sir, your team, and congrats for giving this award. Myself, Dr. Shinde, and we are working in Indore, Vadodara and Mumbai, and globally for treating the cancer patient through Ayurveda. And I am happy to announce that this is the 39th year we are serving for the people. And thank you.
Congratulations. The next winner is RN Architect, Rishabh Dhawan. RN Architect. Give him a big round of applause once again. Once again for this project.
It's for the same. This is for the architectural work, and we are into architecture and interior pro, as I said previously, and working on the same with the sustainable green on the thought कि जितने भी projects करें वो sustainable रहे, green रहे, and good for the everyone. And majorly we are working right now in Bhopal, Rewa, Satna, Ujjain, Devas, Indore. So majorly we are covering the Madhya Pradesh. So thank you for the same.
Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vishal, for giving your valuable time. Time now to invite Debanjan Gua, Senior Manager Corporate Relations from EILM Kolkata. Alright, the next winner is Rajiv Mujumdar, Deputy General Manager HR from Unishan Labs Limited for outstanding contribution to HR.
Hello everyone, I am Rajiv Muzumdar. I am into the industry from the last 30 years, currently working in pharma industry. So I am thankful to management and organization also who has given this opportunity to work and to grow as a leader. We are the witness the great transformation in HR from manual 100% to the AI. Okay, thank you for this award. Thanks, Mr. Bhatia. Thanks to Goaji. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir. The next one is for the Young HR Professional of the Year, goes to Harshit Pandey, Manager HR from Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. Few words, Harshit.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bhatia, Dr. Guha, and the organizing team. It is said that behind every successful man there is a woman. So the woman sitting there clicking my pictures for my mom. Thank you so much, my wife. My senior colleague is here, Reshma ma'am, and whenever there are two Pandays in the hall, we always rock. So thank you so much, Reshma ma'am. To my surprise, my first boss is also here. Annie, whatever I will be doing in my career, I owe a lot to you. Thank you so much for grooming me. And my best friend is also here. So she has seen a side of Harshit Pandey which not many people know. So thank you so much, Akansha, for being there always. Thank you so much, guys.
Right, congratulations, Harshit. Well, the next one is for the Lifetime Achievement Award to Ranjana Sehgal, Independent Director from Zenith Drugs Limited. Few words, ma'am.
सबको नमस्ते मेरा. Thank you the organizing team. Thank you Dr. Bhatia. Thank you Dr. Guha for recognizing us. Though I don't feel like a leader, not today, not before, maybe not after also. But the only thing I can say is that my contribution as an educator, I have been in the field of social work education, training students for the last 43 years, who are today occupying very senior positions in most of the companies, not only in MP, in India, but even across the world. So I take it that as my proud privilege. And I feel a part of them. It's a big family that I belong to. And the only thing is that I have been, you can say that it has been, the contribution has been of nurturing and creating compassionate HR professionals imbued with a sense of empathy, imbued with a sense of compassion, and who are doing a lot of what you hear today as jargons and as slogans, all this thing about inclusiveness and all, which we are working or looking at the Western paradigm. I think these are something nobody needs to teach us. This ESG and all of that, which is coming from the Western frameworks. My request to the HR fraternity, please look within, look in Bharat. There is so much to give to the world. So rather than getting these Western paradigms, imposing it on our industry here, which have been created by people, who do not think of environment as mother nature like we think in India. हमारे लिए माँ है, हमारा रिश्ता है, एक छोटे छोटे कण से, एक छोटे छोटे जीव से, उनके लिए वो सब प्रॉफिट मेकिंग है. अगर सी को पोल्यूशन नहीं करें तो इसलिए नहीं करें क्योंकि फिशरी के धंधे को क्या होगा, पर हमारे लिए फिश के भी अधिकार हैं, उसको भी जीने का हक है. तो ये जो एक भारतीय सोच है, जो कि हम एक रिलेशनशिप सोसाइटी है, वैल्यू बेस्ड सोसाइटी है, फैमिली बेस्ड सोसाइटी है, मुझे लगता है ऐसे ही एचआर के भी जो फंडामेंटल्स हैं हमें बाहर से नहीं सीखने हैं. So I feel very proud that I have been able to integrate the HR fundamentals with social work skills, and I have been, propagating that please look within, don't look out, and don't let the West give you the standards and the indexes to how to manage your people. Human HRD में गायब हो रहा है, डेवलपमेंट पे जोर हो रहा है. Don't lose focus of that human element. And also I see a lot of women today in the HR field. When I opted for this course, I was the first one in my institution to break that glass ceiling because it was considered a male domain. लड़कियां HR में नहीं जाती हैं. आप फैक्ट्री में कैसे जाओगे? कैसे वर्कर रहते हैं? गाली गलौज करते हैं. कैसे? But since I topped the university, my principal could not dissuade me, but he dissuaded the other two girls who wanted to take the same specialization. And let me tell you that HR को MBA नहीं लाया भारत में, social work लाया है. We are the forerunners, but somehow we have dissociated with all those values and principles today, with which we brought that, तब तो लेबर वेलफेयर होता था, वेलफेयर ऑफिसर होता था, आज कहीं दिखता नहीं है इंडस्ट्री में, क्योंकि ये पूरे वेस्टर्न थॉट्स ने, पैराडाइम्स ने, they have taken it over. और HR जो कि बेचारा पीछे कहीं एक डिपार्टमेंट होता था, मेरा PhD किया है, visited all the industries across Devas, Ujjain, Dhar, I did a census study of all the industries then, and what was the status of HR then. And today my topic was on social work in industry. And today CSR has become a buzzword. That time none of the employers knew CSR होता क्या है. मुझे पूछते थे ये क्या है? मतलब क्या है इससे, you know. So we have come a long way. And I'm very glad that I have been part of that evolution. And my students across the world will take the torch forward. But please don't forget that human touch. Relationship is the basic fundamental value of HR. In this, you know, race for career growth and, you know, rising up in the, the career path in the organization, your promotions and your career is not the be all and end all. It is the inner satisfaction, which is very, very important. And as HR, that is what you owe to the company, that is what you owe to the society. So thank you so much for giving me this honor. I take it humbly and I dedicate it to my mother, and I would like to also call my husband because it's a lifetime achievement. So without, I think my life, he played an important role, gave me all the support and has been a very, very understanding partner. You said that behind every successful man there's a woman, but here it's the story which is in the reverse order. I think I owe it to him for being there with me through thick and thin. And
she's being very generous in that. Thank you very much.
And he's also doing a lot of charity, although he's an orthoplastic surgeon with Cancer Care Foundation. But he does most of his, you know, he's been in Bombay for 40 years, but he has been doing a lot of charity of late and doing a lot of major surgeries for cancer patients, you know.
Hello, I'm Pandit ji. मैं शेयर कर दूंगा प्रिय वोटर थैंक यू.
आपके जनरल मैनेजर का भी अवार्ड है नितेश भटनागर जी का, ले लीजिए. थैंक यू. This is for Solar Energy Leadership Award, goes to Holistic Solar Care. Well, this is for CEO with HR Orientation, Mohit Kabra, founder and CEO of Prime Intercom Private Limited. Mohit Kabra.
एक्चुअली जैसा बोला जाता है कि लाइफ में हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ काम कर ही रहा है, लेकिन आप लोगों से कितना सीख के आप अपने लिए खुद के लिए काम कर पा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल आई ब्रिंग खन्नाधर हियर. ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेंटर्स आई मेट इन माय लाइफ. ये सिर्फ खुद के लिए नहीं करते हैं, ये दूसरों को भी गाइड करते हैं कि कहां पे क्या चीज कैसे क्या करना है. सो दिस अवार्ड गोस टू हिम एज वेल बिकॉज़ ही इज पार्ट ऑफ माय जर्नी एज वेल. थैंक यू सो मच.
All the very best, Mohit. The next is for HR Leader of the Year, Pradeep Tiwari, Plant Head, Kirloskar Brothers Limited. Pradeep Tiwari. Few words, Pradeep.
Thank you, Judy. First of all, I am collecting this award on behalf of KBL HR team. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Well, the next award is for Youth Divyang Vikas Kalyan Samiti. Youth Divyang Vikas Kalyan Samiti.
Thank you everyone, organizing team.
यूथ दिव्यांग कल्याण विकास समिति क्या है, थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को ओवरव्यू देता हूँ। एक्चुअली कॉर्पोरेट में कई ऐसे सेक्टर हैं जहाँ पे डिसेबल लोग होते हैं। अभी ब्रिजेश जी बैठे थे, मेरा ऑनर है कि उनके सामने हम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड आपको दे रहे हैं। तो हम लोग चाहते हैं ऐसे स्किल्ड जो लोग हैं उस प्लेटफॉर्म में हम लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो कुछ कर पाए, एंटरप्रेन्योरियल लीडर बन पाए। उसके लिए हमारी संस्था पीछे लगा 3 साल से काम कर रही है। आगे हम लोग ये चाह रहे हैं कि आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट भी है कि जब भी आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ऐसे कोई नीड हो तो ऐसे स्किल्ड पर्सन हमारे पास हैं जिनको हम चाहते हैं कि आप लोग मौका दें और वो खुद प्रूव करके लीडर बनेंगे। थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
All the very best, sir. Congratulations. This is the topmost HR leader in Madhya Pradesh. Goes to Mr. M.K. Patwari, General Manager HR of Patanjali Foods Limited. M.K. Patwari.
Once again, thank you. ये इत्तेफाक है कि जब किसी की नर्चरिंग होती है तो माँ बाप से और शिक्षक से होती है, और दुनिया में किसी को उन्नति करते हुए जो सबसे ज्यादा खुश होते हैं वो उसके शिक्षक और माँ बाप होते हैं। तो आज मौका भी है, दस्तूर भी है। मैं जिस जगह आज हूँ, जिस स्तर पे हूँ, उसमें मेरे शिक्षक का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। और मेरे शिक्षक डॉक्टर रजिंदर संगवाल यहाँ पे उपस्थित है, तो मैं चाहूंगा कि डॉक्टर रजिंदर संगवाल वो भी ऊपर मंच पर आए, और मेरे मेंटर डॉक्टर संजीव खन्ना वो भी यहाँ उपस्थित है। तो जिन लोगों ने मुझे नर्चर करने में, ये कामयाबी ने पहुंचाने में सहयोग दिया, मैं चाहूंगा दोनों मंच पे आए प्लीज। और मैं अपने बारे में कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, मैं चाहूंगा कि वो दो शब्द मेरे को लेकर के भी बोलेंगे तो और अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू।
मैं इसी की बात कर रही थी जब मैंने आपसे उद्बोधन किया था कि दिस इज अ प्राउड मोमेंट। अपने इनाम की इतनी खुशी नहीं होती है जब आपके पढ़ाए हुए बच्चे जब आगे जाते हैं और उच्च पदों पे जाते हैं और आपसे ऊपर जाते हैं, तो उस खुशी को आप शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकते। और हमारे महेश पटवारी जी एक इतने अच्छे होनहार स्टूडेंट रहे हैं और अब पतंजलि में उतने ही होनहार वो HR हेड है, तो वो मेरी उपलब्धि है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। थैंक यू महेश।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच, यू मेड दिस डे।
वेल, मैं इनकी तरफ से, पटवारी जी की तरफ से कुछ कहना चाहूंगा कि जिस दिन से चला हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है। जिस दिन से चला हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, मैंने कभी मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा। ये फूल भला कोई मुझे विरासत में मिले हैं, तुमने मेरा कांटों भरा बिस्तर नहीं देखा। बेवक्त अगर जाऊंगा तो सब चौंक पड़ेंगे, बेवक्त अगर जाऊंगा तो सब चौंक पड़ेंगे। मुद्दत हुई दिन में कभी घर नहीं देखा। तो इफ यू वर्क सो हार्ड यू विल बी गेटिंग रिकॉग्नाइज्ड। एक शेर मुझे और याद आ रहा है, वो भी साथ में सुना देता हूँ, क्योंकि अभी जब हम लोग वहां बैठे थे तो मैंने किसी से सुना कि आज पतंजलि को बहुत अवार्ड मिले हैं। तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मेरी ख्वाहिशों का इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, मेरी ख्वाहिशों का इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, मेरे इरादों की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है।
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Very well said. Thank you. Well, this is for the recruitment personality of the year. Goes to Siddharth Srivastava, State Head HR Operation from Yasasvi Group. Siddharth Srivastava. Give him a big round of applause as he walks up on the stage for the recruitment personality of the year. guys, good morning. I'm Siddharth Srivastav. I carry around 24 years of HR experience, out of which 18 years I spent with corporate. Lastly, I was head HR with Distillery, India. And then since last 6 years, I'm in consulting. I'm serving more than 125 companies with 5,000 employees. We skill people and work with different clients. I'm representing a company named Yashasvi, which is 40 years old staffing company. We are into skilling and with government. We serve apprentice. Since last 9 years, Government of India is giving us Best Apprentice TPA of India Award, along with Best Compliance Company of India. My chairman, Mr. Vishweshwar Kulkarni, he has a vision to skill people with earning. We have a product, Learn and Earn. ये मुख्यमंत्री कमाओ खाओ नहीं है. Learn and Earn is 100% corporate funded skilling in which a student joins a company and do graduation or diploma and work with the company. So I'm seeing a lot of good views from here. So with the vision of Mr. Honorable Prime Minister, let's skill India, let's grow India. Thank you.
Congratulations. All right, moving on to the next category. This is for academic institutions. It goes to the Oriental University as the best institute. Oriental University, are you there? Our next institution is the Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Bhopal. For outstanding contribution to social consciousness goes to Pragati Path, a center of development. Pragati Path, are you there?
First of all, thanks for all of you, and I am taking this award on behalf of my director, Pragati Path, Mr. Vijay Singh Chauhan. So, thanks for jury for choosing us for this award. Thanks.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for doing this set of honors. Alright, for the next set, I'd like to invite Ms. Ranjana Sehgal on stage, please, ma'am. Well, apart from being the director for CMOH, I also handling another portfolio. This is for the World Women Leadership Congress with the Lady Clinton's initiative, Women Deliver. So we honor women across various locations in various societies and also various states. We have a few women from MP who are currently here, a few could not make it, but those who are there would definitely walk up on stage and receive the honors. Post that, I would request all women who got awards across the various sectors here since morning, you could come up with your certificates and we'll have a group photograph. Okay, the first honoree is Architect Chitra Tibrewal, Director Architect of the Gupta's Associate Architects. Put your hands together for Architect Chitra Tibrewal. Please be on stage. We'll have a group photo and then take sound bites. So, okay. Our next honoree is Dr. Nupur Gupta, Associate Professor Accounting and Finance at the Jaipuria Institute of Management, Indore campus. please be on stage. And Ms. Annie Bhatia, the Chief Human Resources Officer and the Chief People Officer at Oswal Infosystem Private Limited. Alright, can the four wonderful ladies arrive for a photograph? You could just step up in front, beyond that step. Yeah, there you are. Okay, you can carry your certificate also. Closer. Smiling, applause. So come up front, people. A few words starting from you, Architect Chitra.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Bhatia and the team. This is the most beautiful gift I ever could have given to my father. Father's Day I had. He is also an architect, pioneer architect, practicing in Nashik. And after getting married here in Indore, now we have spread our work pan-India and doing 1,000+ projects. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Team CMO Asia, for this honor. First of all, I would like to dedicate this award to all women who dream, lead, and change the world. And also, thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring word. I could just relate it to one of your sentences that it's difficult for women when you started your HR journey. Yes, I'm empowering women, I'm training them daily, I'm empowering them to hire them and to get them placed. Serving this industry since last 20 years. So I really would like to thank you again, Dr. Bhatia, thank you so much. I guess he is here. No. Dr. Pandit also connected with me on a regular basis to share the details and everything. But thank you so much, and my bad that I could delay it. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, Namaskar Indore, Namaskar Madhya Pradesh. This is Dr. Nupur Gupta. I work with Jeffrey Institute of Management Indore. I have been in the academia since almost 18 years, and as Saigal ma'am was saying, she said that she doesn't feel that she is a leader because she is in the making of leaders. And thank you so much, the award committee, for actually recognizing people from the academic community, because we are over here who are into making of leaders, the future of tomorrow. And thank you so much today for honoring me. Thank you, Dr. Bhatia. Thank you, Dr. Pandit. Thank you for having me here.
Alright, can we have the other women with their certificates step up? Priyanka, please, let's have a group photograph of the women first. Yeah, Dr. Bloom. Here's the lady from Patanjali. कुछ करना है अभी कुछ कहना है अभी खाली फोटो है. We have a group photograph. I leave it to the ladies to align themselves. Akanksha. Very quiet audience. तालियां बजाना है. That was Nari Shakti at MP, and applause is still. But okay, lunch is going to happen. Congratulations, ladies. You may take your seats. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of this wonderful event here in Indore, and we would like to invite and thank ADP for their support, EIILM for their constant support, and obviously to Wowcrest for hosting this wonderful show. But most importantly, a loud of applause and thanks goes to all you guys who are present here, and I'm happy to see an almost 80% capacity people still waited till the last person receives her award, his or her, but technically it was hers today. But thank you so much for waiting till all the women stepped up on stage, and a wonderful weekend coming up. Enjoy that, keep smiling, and spread the joy of love, happiness all across. Stay happy, stay healthy. Goodbye.